Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Diploma in Manufacturing and Design course. Focused on essential aspects of design, analysis, and manufacturing, this credential affords you the skill and insights to transform your processes. Equipped with these targeted strategies, you'll be well prepared to reduce time to market while adapting the latest materials and technologies. This diploma equips you with the best practices and actionable knowledge needed to make a powerful impact on your organization's innovation, design, and manufacturing efforts. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.